Hi ninjas, welcome to Injective Ecosystem News Roundup. Here are top stories Injective in the second half of August. Injective redefines performance standards with 0.65-second block times. Injective mainnet upgrade v1.13.2 Helix updates, Injera balanced and more. New Injective dApps and integrations, tech updates, milestones, events, and much more in this episode. And now, today's top stories. Injective redefines blockchain performance with 0.65-second block times. Injective continues to push the boundaries of blockchain scalability, reducing block times to just 0.65 seconds, making one of the fastest stable Layer 1 blockchains ever. Several key optimizations, including enhanced state synchronization, better resource management, and a redefined consensus mechanism, have driven the recent performance upgrades. This breakthrough positions Injective at the forefront of other L1s and opens new opportunities for developers, users, and institutions. Injective mainnet upgrade v1.13.2 passed. The Injective mainnet upgrade v1.13.2 has successfully passed with a voting turnout of 66.68% and a quorum of 33.40%. The proposal saw overwhelming support with 87.5 voting percent power in favor of the upgrade. The v1.13.2 upgrade will enhance the WASM-enabled smart contract platform and improve event tracking through a chain update. Validators are advised to back up their configurations and keys and to prepare for the upgrade, which will involve installing the new Injective binary. Coordination and support will be provided via the Injective Discord channels. Helix slashes taker fees by 50% to 0.05%. Helix, leading decentralized exchange on Injective, has announced a significant reduction in taker fees, cutting them by 50% to just 0.05%. The platform's commitment to best-in-class security, near-zero fees, lightning-fast speeds, cross-chain capabilities, and a fully on-chain order book underscores its mission to bring crypto trading and DeFi to the masses. Helix lists Toncoin, or TON, spot market. Helix, the premier on-chain crypto exchange built on Injective, has officially listed the TON/USDT on spot market. Traders can now trade TON, the native cryptocurrency of the TON ecosystem, using market and limit orders, leveraging Helix's advanced trading features. TON, which stands for the Open Network, is a decentralized ecosystem developed by the team behind Telegram. Toncoin is utilized for various network operations, transactions, and applications within the TON blockchain. Helix is also the first platform to support the TON/USDT spot market within the Cosmos ecosystem. Injective's INJ token now available on TON's leading DEX stinj. Injective's native token INJ is now accessible on stinj, the leading decentralized exchange DEX on the TON blockchain. This integration marks the first time users across the TON ecosystem can engage with INJ. Stinj, an automated market maker, or AMM, and advanced exchange established in 2022, offers a wide range of trading pairs, including the popular Ston/TON pair. Adding INJ to Stinj makes INJ more accessible to all users across the TON blockchain. Money markets and GEM Phase 2 farms go live on Injera. Injera has officially launched money makers and GEM Phase 2 farms, marking a significant milestone for the platform. The snapshot for money makers mass assets eligible for GEMs will be taken right after the launch, with dojo asset GEM farms receiving a boost. The accrued gems will be visible directly on the leaderboard. Injera's gems represents ERA tokens, with 55% of ERA tokens slated to be allocated to the airdrop. The loan-to-value, or LTV, ratio has been initially set low, resulting in a lower annual percentage rate, or APR, for supplying assets. This ratio will be adjusted upwards over the week as the performance of the money market is monitored to ensure smooth operation. For users holding HINJ, it's important to visit the Convert tab on Injera to wrap tokens so they can be deposited into the money market. Balance integrates with Injective, introducing BN, USD, and advanced cross-chain DeFi features. Balance, a leading cross-chain platform that allows users to borrow, swap, and bridge native assets across multiple blockchain networks, has officially launched on the Injective mainnet. Key features include seamless cross-chain swaps, direct borrowing with BNUSD, and the ability to transfer assets across different chains with near instant transaction finalization and minimal fees. Injective released its Remix Web IDE plugin, which is a new web-based integrated development environment. IDE. Thanks to this release, now developers can seamlessly write, test, and deploy smart contracts from their browser. Injective developers can increase productivity and efficiency by being able to code from anywhere and in any device thanks to this accessible online platform. Injective Function event in collaboration with Google Cloud set for September 18th in Singapore. In collaboration with Google Cloud Singapore, Injective has hosting an exclusive event during #token2049 in Singapore. This gathering will be an exceptional opportunity for innovation, networking, and community building. The event will take place on September 18th from 19 hours to 22 hours at Mo Bar, 5 Raffles Avenue, FI4 Singapore. Don't miss this chance to connect with key players in the blockchain space and explore the latest developments in the industry. Hydro X Injective Ecosystem Meetup at KBW 2024. Hydro is collaborating with Injective to host an engaging side event during Korea Blockchain Week of 2024. KBW 2024. This meetup offers a unique opportunity to network with the industry leaders and participate in discussions about the future of liquid staking, derivatives, finance, LSDFi, focusing on topics like real-world assets, or RWA, and real yield assets, RYA. Scheduled for September 6th from 14 hours 30 minutes to 18 hours at Cafe Ground B located at 945-27 Daichi Dong in the Gangnam district of Seoul. Injective unveils a revamped Ninja Ambassador portal with enhanced rewards system. Injective has launched an upgraded version of its Ninja Ambassador portal, now featuring new missions and an enhanced reward system designed to deepen engagement within the Injective community. The portal has been a cornerstone of the Injective community over a year, providing members a functionality known as ninjas with numerous perks. With over 200,000 participants, the Ninja Masters Ambassador program stands as one of the most extensive initiatives led by Injective. You can become an Injective ninja too. Injective Soul Night, a must-attend event during Korean Blockchain Week. Injective, in collaboration with A41, a blockchain infrastructure service provider, is hosting an exclusive event titled Injective Soul Night on September 3rd of 2024 during the Korean Blockchain Week, or at KBW 2024. This event promises a vibrant evening filled with networking opportunities, engaging discussions, and celebrations with blockchain innovators and enthusiasts. The event will take place at one of Seoul's most stylish venues, 29 Pub #5, on the second floor at 10 Gangnam Daero 65 Gil, Seocho-gu, Seoul. The event will run from 18 hours to 21 hours, offering a dynamic atmosphere complemented by delicious hors d'oeuvres and beverages. And that is all for today's Injective Ecosystem Biweekly Review. So if you enjoyed Ninjas, click that like button, subscribe button, and the bell icon too. We are the top 1 Injective relayer in the last month by total number of TXS, and one of the best by uptime and performance as well. Ninjas, consider supporting our Injective infrastructure and educational content with a delegation to our Injective validator. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you Ninjas very soon in the next episode.